In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paper trading on Moomoo. Paper trading lets you practice with virtual money while seeing real market data, so you can learn the platform and test ideas without risking actual funds. It's a great way to build confidence before placing your first live trade. To get started on the desktop app, open the Moomoo platform and log into your account. On the left panel, look for the option labeled Paper or Paper Trading and click it. This switches you into the simulated trading environment. Next, choose the market you want to practice in, such as US stocks. Selecting the right market ensures the quotes and order types match the products you want to learn. Once you've picked your market, you're ready to start placing simulated orders just like you would in a real account. Let's walk through your first paper trade. In paper trading mode, begin by typing a stock ticker symbol into the search, for example, AAPL. On the order ticket, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Then enter the price and the number of shares you want to trade. If you select a market order, it's designed to fill quickly near the current price. If you choose a limit order, you set the exact price you're willing to pay or accept, which gives you more control but may not fill immediately. When everything looks good, click Place Order. The trade will execute using virtual funds, but it reflects real-time market conditions, so you'll see how your decision would play out without financial risk. Inside paper trading, you can practice the core skills that matter. Try buying and selling stocks to get comfortable with the order ticket and position management. Explore options trading if it's available to you, so you can learn how contracts, strikes, and expirations work. This is also the perfect space to test trading strategies, from simple trend following to more structured approaches, and to learn the differences between order types like market and limit. Use the charts to study price action, then monitor and manage your positions to understand how profits and losses move with the market. A helpful guideline is to spend about 2 to 4 weeks in paper trading. That gives you time to learn the platform's layout, practice placing orders in different conditions, and develop a routine. When you can navigate confidently, read charts, and place orders without hesitation, you'll be better prepared for live trading. Happy practicing and take your time. Consistency and clarity beat speed every day.